In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the supplier ledger in Xero, a crucial skill for anyone managing business finances. Understanding your supplier transactions is vital for maintaining accurate records and making informed financial decisions, and Xero provides powerful tools to help with this. So, let's dive in and explore how you can easily access these details. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the top bar of your Xero dashboard. At the top, you'll see a series of options, and we're going to focus on the Reporting tab. Click on Reporting to open up a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select All Reports. This action will lead you to a comprehensive list of all the reports available within Xero. Once you're in the All Reports section, your task is to locate the General Ledger Detail Report. This report is your gateway to viewing detailed transaction records and is essential for examining your supplier interactions. With the General Ledger Detail Report in your sights, go ahead and click on it to generate and run it. As the report loads, you'll notice various features and customization options at your disposal. Direct your attention to the top of the report where you'll find the Columns drop-down. This is an essential feature that allows you to tailor the report to display specific information. Click on this drop-down, and a list of possible columns will appear. Here, you're going to enable the columns that pertain to Supplier. This step ensures that all relevant supplier details are visible and neatly organized in your report. To make your report even more functional, especially if you're looking for specific information, you'll want to sort it effectively. You can choose to sort the data by description. Alternatively, if you're searching for a particular supplier name, a convenient trick is to use the Control F function. Just press Control F on your keyboard, and a search box will pop up. Enter the specific supplier name associated with a transaction's description, and Xero will highlight any matches. And just like that, you have successfully navigated the process to see the supplier ledger in Xero. It's a straightforward but powerful feature that enhances your ability to keep tabs on your financial interactions with suppliers. Remember, mastering these tools in Xero not only streamlines your accounting tasks, but also bolsters your financial comprehension overall. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you'll feel more confident next time you're exploring your supplier transactions in Xero. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials on making the most out of your Xero experience.